Hey people, what's up? Like, I just woke up a little bit ago, like 10 minutes ago. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I swear when I looked down it was like 10:30. But, whatever. Eyes are burning. Okay. Today wasn't much better than yesterday, but I guess it's okay. Yeah. So, the question for today is, what is your sign? And yes, I'm a Virgo. If you haven't figured that out already. I think it affects me in a lot of different ways. I wish it didn't. I wish I was a Leo. I'm actually like 3 days. Yeah, like 3 or something like that days from being a Leo. And that's what I want to be, but I guess Virgos are good too, because we're like the universal sign or something, and like mad cool and stuff, but whatever. Yeah, pretty much. The bow is a Sagittarius. That's it. Tomorrow's question is your favorite makeup. That's a hard question.